Hey guys, welcome back to stockszen. We talk about stocks, and yes, you got it, more stocks. Click the link in the describe box down below. You join my Patreon there, Discord server 24/7. You know what I'm buying, you know what I'm selling, you know what crypto coins I am buying, and what crypto assets I am buying also. Guys, click the subscribe button down below. Share, like, comment. Don't be shy. Spammers will be blocked. Let's get into it. Ravencoin, guys. You know, you helped me blow that video up, and I want to thank you all that have gone into Ravencoin from my video. Guys, Ravencoin is at 10 cents right now, and at the making of this video 11 cents, and believe you me, I'm fidgeting in my chair here right now because I'm just so hype over Ravencoin right now. Big deals is coming. I got my hedge fund paying into it as well weekly. And look guys, I'm out of the Ravencoin community. Too much trolls, too much FOMO, too much FUD. It's not a community that I will advertise, and as you saw in the last video, I did not link links in the describe button down below. What I will say is, however, continue watching my videos. I have TikTok as well. Continue watching. Do your own due diligence as well, guys. Don't rely on strangers over the internet, and especially myself as a stranger, to be fighting you with due diligence. Do your own research and get into Ravencoin, guys. My price target for them at the end of February was 7.5 cents. Guys, we're on 11. Now, they have gone above and beyond, sometimes to 8, and you know, up and down markets, so to speak. But with Bitcoin taking off and with cryptocurrencies taking off, I'm in space right now. I'm in space right now. I'm floating around. I'm grabbing what I can grab of Ravencoins. I'm grabbing, and believe you me, I'm grabbing them all. And all my patrons on the Patreon there, I want to give them a big shout out. They got into Ravencoin. They're seeing huge gains in Ravencoin, and I love that. I really love that. And there's something about it what I love is the fact that Ravencoin is presenting itself not as Bitcoin 2.0 like Ether is. Ravencoin is presenting itself as the next gen cryptocurrency. That's what Ravencoin is. The future is here now. That's Ravencoin, guys. And Ravencoin has so much to offer to the Bitcoin you know, industry, to those who are not aware of cryptocurrency, but they have so much to offer to the cryptocurrency as a whole. XRP is there to replace Swift. Bitcoin there is as a commodity, and you have Ravencoin then to be used in corporate. So, as I mentioned in my previous video, legal firms will be using it, court services will be using it. It'll be used as a form of bail bonds for those particular cases. It will be used as a form of child maintenance payments. It'll be used as a form of rent arrears payments through the court system, of course, and you're talking about court systems globally here. And Ravencoin doesn't distinguish between common law and civil law. It just distinguishes for law, and it can be used in land deeds as well, guys. And the whole benefit of Ravencoin is unlimited. My price target still remains on the previous video. It still remains. I'm still going to say 7.5 cents, guys. And during this video, it has gone up again. Let me just pull up my notes. It has gone up again, guys. And what I'm saying is that Ravencoin does have a niche. And when I get into coins, I always look at, you know, the niche, what the coin is about, what the coin can present as a whole to the global society that we're living in right now. And Ravencoin can do that. Guys, I'm making this video right here is up 47.9%. It's on 12 cents, guys. It's on 12 cents, and we're up 44.5% in Bitcoin. It's 0.000050236, and it's ranked 71. Previous video, it was ranked over 100. It's gone up 40 places in the last just over 3 weeks. In the last hour, however, guys, it's down 2.5%. I won't really mind about that. We're not day trading on this channel. Again, figures are ready to go. 24-hour figure is 48%. 7-day figure 158%, 14-day figure 382%, a 30-day figure of 595%, and a 1-year figure of 262%. So we're still, we can still do another 300%, guys, this quarter. At the moment, it touched, actually, I'm just looking at the chart here right now, it touched actually on 13 cents within the last hour. And it's just a little bit of a small sell-off on it right now, as what happens with those in Ravencoin well before we got in it. Guys, do I need to say really any more on Ravencoin? The market cap, guys, is over $1 billion. Congratulations to everyone over there at Ravencoin. I wanted to say a big thumbs up to everyone. It's over $1 billion. Trading volume is 636 million. Market cap dominance, that's what I want to look at. It's 0.06 at the making of this video. I want to use this video as history. I expect it to go to I expect it to go to 9%. I expect it to go to 9%. So we got a 24-hour high of 13 cents and a low of 8 cents. And we got a 7-day low of 5 cents and a 7-day high of 10 cents. The all-time high was 2 hours ago, 13 cents. And all-time low was 11 months ago at 8 cents. So again, guys, what is Ravencoin? And we're just going to get into it again. Going to run it over again. And we're going to go over it again. So here we go. Ravencoin is a blockchain specifically dedicated to the creation and peer-to-peer transfer of assets. Just as Monero is solely focused on privacy, Ravencoin specializes in asset transfer, nothing more, nothing less. So you get what you get. Privacy, data protection. Although you can exchange assets over other blockchains like Bitcoin and Ether, that's not their intended purpose. And the lack of specialization leads to problems that are specific to transferring assets. Ravencoin enables you to create and trade any real world, e.g. gold bars, land deeds, as we previously mentioned in the other video which I'm linking, or digital items such as gaming items, which I didn't mention, but yes, it can be used in in-game currency, World of Warcraft, Call of Duty, and software licenses. Assets on a network with only that in mind. Ravencoin doesn't have an established team. It is an open source project led by the core developers, Ravencoin Dev, Tron, and Chattanooga, Discord username. Bruce Fenton, board member of the Bitcoin Foundation, advises the team. So they have an independent advisor that's part of the Bitcoin Foundation, which is fantastic to have. The core developers launched Ravencoin on January 3rd, 2018, and Fenton kicked off the launch with a tweet announcing the start of mining. The project gained some notoriety when Overstock CEO Patrick Byrne announced that his company had made a multi-million-dollar investment into the team. So he made a multi-million-dollar investment into the team there almost 3 years ago. Announced that his company had made a multi-million-dollar investment into the whole team, Ravencoin. Since then, the team has been building out the core functionality of asset support and rewards capability. The release of Ravencoin and increase in activity on the platform should help the price, and it has helped the price. It's gone over 500% since we've got into it. And Ravencoin offers just one thing: tokenized asset transfer. That's what it is. And that the singular focus isn't a bad thing. When projects attempt to solve a bunch of problems at once, they often create a bunch of half-baked solutions. Ravencoin doesn't do that, guys. As a young project with seemingly endless competition, it's difficult to predict how successful Ravencoin will be. Now, these are all my notes. An active community, well, active community, yes. A good community, questionable. and backing from one of the most respected names in online retail are positive indicators. Look guys, there's always positive indicator, but I'll always say to you, remind yourselves of FOMO and FUD. Do not get into communities when you know there's trolls and memers in it. Be careful. There's a clear trend towards tokenization of all types of assets, and that's the way we're going in the next 10 years. However, we have yet to see whether or not Ravencoin will be leading that change, and I wrote that 6 months ago. They will. They will. And I have technical analysis for Ravencoin. It's a strong buy, guys, with Tether. It's just remarkable what Ravencoin are doing right now. I'm just trying to pull up the chart actually on them as I speak, and the chart with them is so bullish. It's actually on an upturn right now. I see a harmonica as well, which is also always good. Last 7 days, again, just remarkable what they have done in the last 7 days. They had a base of 8 cents. I'm looking it up there, a base of 8 cents, and now we're just skyrocketing. We go the last 14 days. Last 14 days, it has been just an upwards trend, apart from the last 7 days where it was just settling in the base. Last 30 days, for those who are in Ravencoin over 30 days, I have to commend you for being in it. You're up a lot right now. But my suggestion to you is, obviously I'm being a bit selfish at the same time, but in the longer term, I'm saying hold. Ravencoin is a project that really can change the core structure of cryptocurrencies going forward. So guys, you can take what you have of it, use this, do your due diligence. For me and my patrons, we're in Ravencoin long, we're buying weekly, and believe you me, sky is the limit. 85 cents this year is my target for them. I want nothing less. I want massive gains. The long term, I see at Litecoin, where Litecoin is around the 200s. Again, if it goes around that, we're talking about top 10 already. If it goes to 85 cents, we're talking about top 50. I believe in a week, we could be on 20 cents. We could be on 20 cents in a week. And that would be phenomenal. That would be 300% what I had according to my trajectory. So my trajectories are not that wrong much of the time, guys. Ask my patrons that. So guys, again, thanks for watching. Link for the Patreon down below. Let's make money.